Hi everybody, I'm back again, it's Amanda. Right, we're going to have to do this in 3 parts, this video. Well, the first one I've done, this is the second part, and then I'm going to have to do a third part when they come back out of the oven. So I just thought I'd do the middle part to show you what we do when we take them out. So I've reduced the oven to 120, and I've taken the biscotti off the tray. Okay. When I lined my tray, I put 2 pieces of greaseproof paper on there, so that I could slide the top one off, which I knew we had to take it out to slice it. So it was easy to slice it off, to slide it off, so that then I could use my knife and cut it into fingers, and then pull it back on to the tray to put it back in the oven. So all I need to do now is to, with a bread knife, it's a bit difficult because it's hot, but I want you to see, slice them into probably, I don't know, centimetre thick, something like that. Yeah, say a centimetre. Very, very, very hot, obviously, because it's got fruit in as well. It retains the heat, so they're quite sticky because they're not fully cooked yet. Ooh, that's a bit of a nut, and that's hot. And then keep going. I don't know if you could see that. Right, so let me try it with this other knife because they seem to be getting a bit stuck on the bread knife. Let's give it a go. It's all a bit of trial and error. Push you back down on them little edges. Right. That one. That one. That one. That one. I don't know if you can still see what I'm doing. I'll move the tray a little bit. That one. You can hear the crispy bits at the edges. I'm going through the nuts and things. That's that one. Yeah, it is a little bit easier with a straight knife rather than a bread knife. So that's a little tip for you. And cut them into centimetre slices. And then I'll get my tray back. Excuse me leaving you over there. So I've got the other piece still on this tray, still very hot. Put those in there out of the way. And then slide this piece back on to the tray. That was easy. So that's all sliced. So if you can see, yeah. So that's going to go back in the oven for another 15 minutes-ish. And then I'll be back to see you very, very shortly. Don't forget to check out part 1 and part 3 of this, so you'll wonder what the heck's going off. Okay guys, just bear with me a minute.